Good morning, grade 8s. This is your math lesson for the morning. Please make sure you have your scribblers. If you don't already have them at your desk, please get up and get them now. This morning we're going to define reciprocal. Please pause the video and copy down this information. Now that you have this information, we need to look at what this means. A reciprocal is simply one pair out of a pair of numbers that when multiplied together equals 1. So if I have the number 2, the reciprocal of that is 1/2. 2 times 1/2 is 1. If I were looking at the number 5, the reciprocal for that number would be 1/5. 5 times 1/5 is equal to 1. If you're looking at the number and view it as a fraction, the reciprocal can be found simply by flipping the numerator and denominator. So when I look at the number 5, if I write it as 5/1, then it's easy to look at that as being the 1 as the denominator. We'll now jump upstairs and be our numerator. The 5 that is sitting as a numerator will then drop downstairs and become the denominator. This pair is now a reciprocal pair. We're going to use that reciprocal logic for division today. When we divide by 2, it's the same as taking half of an amount. If I have 5/6 of a pizza and I decide to split it between Adam and Kendra, this is what is going to happen. I can view this as 5/6 divided by 2, or I can view this as 1/2 of 5/6, and we know that the word of means to multiply. If I look at that in a picture format and simply split this pizza exactly in half, I can see that each person is going to get 1, 2, 3 and a half slices of pizza. This is how you set up the problem. 5/6 divided by 2, or we take the 2, we use the reciprocal of that 2 of 5/6, which means the same thing as 5/6 times, or of, 1/2. This means that for division I can write the first fraction, then change the operation, then use the reciprocal of the second fraction. We're going to stop the video here and I'm going to ask you to write this down. You're going to write down step 1, write the first fraction. Step 2, change the operation from division to multiplication. Step 3, use the reciprocal of the second fraction. This line is critical. You can only use the reciprocal of the second fraction. If you do these steps in the wrong order, or if you do the reciprocal of the first fraction, your answer is going to be incorrect. Pause the video here and write this down. Today's homework. You're going to receive a handout. In addition to that, I want you to complete the questions from 2.8, 79 and 80 are your pages, and the questions that you have to do are 6A and D, 11, A, B, and C. Just those 5. This homework is going to be checked tomorrow along with last day's homework, so please make sure that you have everything ready to go.